In front of me is XIAOMI 13, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this XIAOMI. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Additional Settings. Following that, select one-handed mode over here and click on this gray switcher in order to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to go back, you can click over here or simply swipe up. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!